Home Diaries. Every house has a story.
We're the Tansies.
And we got married at our house. We were engaged and we decided to get married, and we started looking for wedding venues.
The price tag to rent one of them was, a few $1,000 for the day.
We love old houses, something that's got character and a story to tell.
Our house is a real special house. It was built in 1903.
And we thought, well, for as much money as it costs to rent a venue, we could just take that money and just do a renovation at our house. The house wasn't quite ready for the wedding. We really needed to fill in our grass on the side yard, getting rooms painted, getting everything restaged so that it was the best flow.
So this is our deck, and we had this put in for the wedding, and we also had landscaping done as well. The whole place was just a crazy mud pit with broken up concrete back here.
All of the projects came down to the wire. The landscaping team, they're laying down the grass, and then the deck people are trying to lay down the second stair right here.
And there was just a big old debris pile right over there.
Everyone was fighting, and it was horrible, and I was crying, and it was my wedding.
It ended up making for a really great wedding, and at the end, it made all that work worthwhile. Every little last picture we hung up, and every, little detail that we worked on. We were really just about at 100% on the house, and then
a couple months later, we had an electrical fire in the attic. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, we're standing outside the house, and I'm watching all of these firefighters, just seeing all of my things just get broken, and the yard had just been done for the wedding. To see our hard work just literally in flames was really overwhelming.
We hate the idea of giving up, of taking that heritage of a house that was built in 1903 and just scrapping that. We just knew we had a good opportunity to rebuild parts of the house a little bit better.
We always wanted to vault the ceilings just so that it seemed bigger up here, and we added skylights in the bathroom. Our house now is just better than ever. I mean, better than it was for the wedding, better than it was before the fire. It's gorgeous. A lot of people never get to go back to the place where they got married, but we live here.
It's our home. It's something we're both extremely proud of.
And it's pretty great.